Alright, so this is difficult to film. So what I'm trying to do is cut out foam board. Got Bart Simpson as the test subject. Basically this is adhesive foam board printed on poster board paper. And some customers want like cartoon characters and stuff cut out. I could print this big, so I should be able to cut this big. If they wanted it on just paper, that'd be no problem. Regular plotters and stuff would cut paper, but foam board is another story, and this is rigid foam board. So yeah, let's test. We got the registration mark tested, so it is cutting where it's supposed to. Got the G code for the Bart loaded up. I only have one hand, and I want to be able to hit stop if something goes wrong, so I'm gonna hit play. And then let's cross our fingers, move to stop. Let's hit stop because it is cutting too much. Pause. So let's rehone the machine. Back to the hone. Z is too deep, so let's move the Z axis 2 mil. Reset Z or set 0 everything, and let's try this again. It was kind of cutting. You know what? Let's move it to the left 2 mil as well. Let's see. Hit play. Yeah. Oh shit, that was too high up. Pause you too much. how a lot of people's cooking cameo sound. Very niche. This would be very niche. It takes too long to set up. Let's see if it came out. It definitely did not cut through, so this is the second pass. I think this time it did. I think this time it did. I'm a very impatient person. Yeah, it did it this time. Alright, I'm gonna let this finish and I'm gonna turn it back on when it's done. This is the end result after everything has been cut out. I did an extensive amount of work with a razor blade or a box cutter or whatever to get it out. I don't think this is a viable product that I could sell. Well, with this machine, using it to cut anyway. This bed is extremely flat right now, and every time I drill, I usually pierce holes. I don't have the old bed to show you, but it's never in this good of a condition, so I'm trying to get all the flat stuff cut for the t-shirt folder. But this is pretty dope. I'm probably just going to keep this in here for the studio. I do want to try to print onto chloroplast and cut it out. This foam board is extremely thick and gummy, so it is surprising that this worked at all. I think if I just wanted to cut paper alone, this would be beautiful. I might do a test. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bart Simpson is gonna go up over there above near the paint cans.